In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate and progress through Sky Pillar. So I recommend that you guys use a few max repels if you're able to, just because it will make the process easier. Anyways, let's go ahead and begin. So here is Sky Pillar, and the first level over here is pretty easy and standard. All you need to do is you need to go ahead and just keep on walking here, go down, then go up here. All right, now here's where things start getting a little bit tricky. So what you want to do is you want to open up your bag, and you need to make sure that you actually do have the match bike. So it should be underneath here where it says key items, and here it is. So let's go ahead and begin using it. All right, now the way it works is that you need to build momentum in order for you to actually glide past the cracks over here on the ground. Otherwise, you're going to fall down. So I always recommend to give yourself space to give yourself momentum. So let's go ahead and do that really quickly. As you're able to tell, there you go. So check this out. I have a little bit of room to actually build myself momentum, and there you go. And for this section, let's just go ahead and go over here. And this is another really tricky part right over here. So you need to go ahead and build yourself momentum. And as you're able to tell, I wasn't able to do it. All right, so let's go ahead and try again and see if we actually are able to go ahead and do it. And this is where the tricky part is. So we need to go ahead and just do something like this. And then there you go. So the point is you need to make sure you build momentum and that also you're able to act fast. You know what I'm trying to say? Okay, so there you go. We are now able to go to the third level, and this is by far the hardest level. So I actually like to split this level up into 3 different sections. So let me show you the first section over here, or the first maneuver with your bike. So we can go ahead and get momentum from here. And then as soon as you pass those 3, try going to the right, and then you're going to be right here. Now this next part is also a little bit tricky. So we're going to start over here. Then at this part, we're going to go ahead and take a left turn. So it does take a little bit of practice. And then there you go. Okay, we were actually able to go ahead and do it. We were able to do that in one maneuver. All right, now we need to go ahead and pass here. But don't go to this one. So don't go all the way to the end where my cursor is. Otherwise, you're going to have to restart Sky Pillar. And you don't want to do that. So what you want to do is you want to go to either one of these 2 middle ones. So again, let's go ahead and build ourselves some momentum right here. And no, oh my God, I fumbled it so hard. So yeah, if you are experiencing trouble, do not worry. Even people who have played this a lot still run into difficulty. All right, and then there you go. Okay, we were actually able to go ahead and do it. And then once you're done with that, then all you want to do is you want to go up these stairs. And then you want to go over here. All right, and then from here, it is honestly smooth sailing. So let's go ahead and keep on advancing. All right, then we're able to go ahead and make our way up these stairs. And then check this out. Here we are at the top of Sky Pillar, and all you need to do is you need to walk here. And Rayquaza should be here if it's your first time ever coming to Sky Pillar. So I already captured Rayquaza. That's why he's not here. But if you haven't yet, he's going to appear right over here, and you're able to go ahead and capture him and have a ton of fun. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.